Hey guys, here is the Broan bathroom exhaust fan with the cover removed. And here is the back side clipping into the ceiling. There are two spring connection points on each side and put it into the slots. Then it will spring into place and hold it loosely. So you can connect both sides like that. It snaps after you spring it into the slot. As you can see, you can hear the sound when it snaps after I slot it in. Then you push it in lightly, get it to click and seal. As you can see, you want to make sure you're doing it perfectly. When it's done, you can see it like this. It will be dangling. You just hold and you snap it to the top. And there you have it. Check it out. You hear the snap? That's what you do. So if you like this video, subscribe, like. Thank you.